Now, I'm a disorganized person, but sometimes I have fantasies of sexy, sexy organization. What if my life wasn't a complete mess? Everything fitting into neat little boxes, labeled, carrying just the bare essentials, like a weird fetishization of ephemera like Wes Anderson bullshit. But that's not going to happen, okay? Now enter Foolish Pride Leather, who made a challenge coin holder for my nutsack for my knife nuts coin. He saw I had rigged up a zip tie contraption in my work bag to the Molle straps, like an advanced primate might, advanced knife primate. He had the same bag, and he offered to make me something to fit in there for all my little pens and stuff, so I didn't have to cinch them into the Molle straps, things that are purpose made, so I didn't look so dumb, so thanks. And yes, I am aware Nutsac makes an official product, but I wanted something with more slots for maximum efficiency. Doing less with more. I'd have several challenge coins, a couple pens. You can't just have one knife. And the slightly humorous twist to all this is I don't actually need to carry that bag for work anymore because I don't need all this stuff. I've since changed positions. I sit on my ass all day sending verbose, passive-aggressive emails, real works of art, CCing people I don't need to, just for some situational awareness. Just a goldfish bowl sitting behind a keyboard with water sloshing around and the fish floating upside down. Sometimes we create beautiful images here, don't we? But I am a man of habit, and I will still carry it to work with me like a corporate shill with my stupid little pens and a shitty little multi-tool and my worthless challenge coins like they give me some kind of special powers. And as you can see, the bag here was a mess. I just throw stuff in there and don't organize it. Now I understand to you as the viewer it may not make a lot of sense, and just to let you know, it doesn't to me either. But some of these things have sentimental value and others are just there to take up space. Like today, will I use the Victorinox for my gross little breakfast sausages or the Uncle Henry that was my grandfather's? The world is mine. So Foolish Pride Leather made this for me, all custom-like. I sent him a crude drawing, and we had some time. He came up with this prototype, he made out of some really nice leather. And if you don't like it, though, it's my fault for the design, okay? I told him if I liked it, I'd pay him for it. And I do like it. Foolish Pride Leather makes keychains like these guys here. I've been using my HEA Designs $69 keychain. Remember that video. But these keychains are thick and they're well made and they have a few little loops. But overall, maybe this video will help me to lose a few subscribers. But for the pouch, he came up with these snaps that he also used on my coin holder. And for the back of the leather pouch, so they fit right there. You loop them through the Molle loops. And as you know, if you need leather-made stuff, it's super important to budget yourself for one from a small maker because they will last you forever versus the department store bullshit that you spend like 20 or 30 bucks on. Now, currently, I have Redeemed Creations, Popov Leather, and Foolish Pride for my little leather works. All great handmade products that will last long after I'm a smoldering ash heap. Sometimes seeing what I do in the comments I get on just videos, I can only imagine what kind of hell someone who makes stuff for people go through, fielding their dumb questions saying, "Oh, that sounds pretty awesome," to their stupid ideas, like the one I gave them. But the main point of this video is I have things for all of my stuff now. I think this is a cool thing somebody made for me. It's constructed out of thick and luscious horween leather. The other things may not have a nice solution as this nice little leather pouch that I put in here, but they go in the side pockets like my USB-C charger or my bit kits. I put my cords in these little baggies, just fun stuff all around. Now, one thing though is the Leatherman sheaths don't have a friendly Velcro loop, so I can loop them into the Molle strap, but I do have the clip for my wave so it can be clipped into the external loops that I said, I want those there. And he goes, "Why do you want those? What are they for?" And I didn't know yet, but they were for this. Looking around the bag here, I don't know why my FW3A copper is my main bag light since I'm partial to zebra lights. Maybe it's the fragrant smell of worn copper. But the best part is I have an organized bag again, so thanks to Foolish Pride. Might do a giveaway of some of the extra stuff he's thrown in on the things he's made me, like some keychains. Now, I don't know if he'll be offering these particular holders on his website or what they'll cost you. Follow him on Instagram, head over to his website, and while you're doing that, say hi to the patrons. They're helping me pay off the 4K camera and the Apple computer I'm using to shoot the 4K video of the inside of my purse on. The true purpose of 4K. Buy a t-shirt, sticker, whatever, or don't. Comments, please leave comments. Click that alert bell. The last few videos have done shit for views. I do like views sometimes. So thanks for watching.